You are welcome to Math Demystified.
We are to find the volume of the figure below. And the figure we have is a rectangular based pyramid. And to find the volume of a rectangular based pyramid, we know that the formula is V equals 1/3 length times breadth, because it's a rectangle, then perpendicular height. But if you look at it, the only problem we have is that we do not have any value for h yet. The 5 we have here is not the h, it's the slant height of this pyramid. So the first thing we want to do is to calculate the h. And for you to calculate the h, you need to perform two operations. The very first one is for you to come to this rectangle and draw a diagonal. Then the height I'm looking for is the line that runs from here and comes straight to the center of this diagonal. Now, do not forget that this perpendicular height, when it touches the surface of the rectangle at any point, to form 90 degrees to it. So let's call this part x and call this one x, because the line bisects the diagonal to two equal parts. So from this side, I have a right angle triangle where this is my A, this is my B, and this is my C. So here is 2x. So this is my 4 and this is my 3. So I'm going to use Pythagoras theorem to find my x, because I need this x to be able to find the h. This is the h. So let's use Pythagoras theorem here. So using Pythagoras theorem here, I'm going to have this side, which is AC. I'm going to square it. So this is going to be 4 squared plus 3 squared. So I want to call this one 2x squared because I've already named it 2x. So this one becomes 16 plus 9, which will end up giving me 25. And we all know that we need to get x, and this square has to go. And for the square to go, that means I'm going to find the square root of 25. And we all know the square root of 25 will give me 5. So for me to get x will be 5/2. That's the value of x here, 5/2. So this is 5. This is also 5. This line is 5. This line is 5. And this line is 5. So this is another 5. So from this triangle that we have here, let's call this K. So we have another triangle that runs like this, where this part is K. That is the one we just calculated right now as 5/2. The one that is coming over here, which is the hypotenuse now, is 5. So this is the h I'm looking for, which is this. We use the Pythagoras again. Use the Pythagoras again, and that will give me h squared, which is equal to 5 squared minus 5/2 squared, giving me 25 minus 25/4, and that is 25 minus, this will be 6, 1/4, and that is 18.75. So let's calculate our h. H is the square root of 18.75. That should be 4 point something. 4.3301 from your calculator if you check that. So this is my h, and that's the h I'm looking for. So after doing that, I will now solve for my v. So my v is 1/3 length, area of the base, plus length times breadth, the perpendicular height I just got right now. So you see that without calculating this h, there's no way you can get the answer. And this 1/3 times the 4 times the 3 times the 1 we just calculated, 17.3204 centimeter cube, which you can write as 17.3 centimeter cube. That's how to find the volume of a rectangular based pyramid.
If you enjoyed our teaching, please click like and feel free to share our link with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can get notifications of our subsequent videos.